some rough sawn rafters that came out of an old barn, and cut them in half. And then here's what it looks like after you plant it down. I haven't joined the edges yet. They got all square and plumb. Pretty nice lumber, about 10-4, 8-4, 2 inch, a little bit more than 2 inch, 2.5 inch thick. Very cool stuff. So I get 10 bites to get out here and plane the rest of these. This is quite a lot of work actually with the size of the wood. It's fairly heavy. Okay, so here's one of those rafters out of Tim's old shed. I'm thinking it's white oak. This right here, I just planed down, cut off a small piece from some rough sawn white oak. I cut this tree down on our property in the front yard. This is red oak. It was cut down in the backyard. Both about 3 years ago. This tree was leaning really bad, and this one was tearing up my driveway. The root system was tearing up the driveway, so I cut it down. So, yeah, you can take a look at it. But it's definitely different. End grain. You know, there's some cross-cut marks on that. You know, you can see how porous the red oak is. Yeah, it's hard to see. Yeah, you can see it there. So, here's the bigger piece. Bigger pieces over here. Bigger piece of this red oak or white oak has some black stain on it. Probably rotted a little bit before it was milled. I had it out in the yard for about a month before the sawman came out. But again, this is red or white oak.